Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. TMC enlarged its fold with more elders enrolled membership. NCC Director General visited Shillong to review organization programs. Dr. Khargangwar released new book on the history of Khasi state. And Umkyang police arrested most wanted human trafficker from Bangladesh. And now the news in detail. All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya welcomed former Minister Adolf Hitler Marak, former State Vice President of BJP Meghalaya David C.H. Marak, and former Joint Director, Department of Education Bhupendra Momin into the party fold. TMC State Vice President Zenith Sangma, Chokpot MLA Lazarus Sangma, and Richard M. Sangma, West Garo Hills convener, inducted the new members at Tura on August 25th. Inducting the new members into the party fold, Zenith Sangma said, "Today, we are happy to witness that a senior leader has decided to join Meghalaya TMC. Adolf Hitler Marak had the privilege to serve the people of Meghalaya in different capacities as the Forest and Environment Minister and for 3 terms as a member of the Legislative Assembly. We also have with us Mr. David C.H. Marak and Mr. Bhupendra Momin, who had also served the people of Meghalaya with full integrity. We welcome them with open arms to work for the betterment of the state," he said.
The price hike of everything, right from meat, vegetable, up to the ready-made materials like steel, iron, and if you go to Bengal, you will get it very cheap. Say we may get it 50 rupees, whereas in Garwells we never see 50 paisa now, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Everything is going to start from 50 rupees. Why this? Is it our Garo Hills is so rich, not even in Shillong. It's not that costly as in Garo Hills. So these are the things that Garo, we, not only the Garos, but then all together, we have to fight it out with the government. When government is going against the will of the people, naturally the trouble starts in any country. So that we should work out properly with a quality leadership, and those who have put a quality leadership, they always lead the country and each people to a betterment for tomorrow.
On August 25th at NCC Directorate North-Eastern Region, Lieutenant Gen Gubirpal Singh AVSM, VSM, Director General NCC visited Shillong. The General Officer called on Shri Satyapal Malik, Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, and Shri Lakman Rumboy, Honorable Minister of Education, and discussed various NCC-related issues. He also inspected NCC Directorate NER Shillong and reviewed NCC activities. He was received by Mach Gen Bhaskar Kalita, YSM, Additional Director General, NCC NER at NCC Directorate NER, and was introduced to all officers. The DG NCC was then briefed by the Additional Director General and Deputy Director General of NCC North-Eastern Region and all 8 NCC Group Commanders of NER. Thereafter, during a short but solemn function, awards were given to meritorious cadets and staff. During media interaction, the DG NCC highlighted the various contributions of NCC in any region. He also lauded the efforts on social service and community development activities like Puneet Sagar Abhiyan, blood donation camps, etc. The NCC cadets had actively participated in events like Har Ghar Tiranga, Shahido Ko Shat Shat Narman, and International Day of Yoga, which helped connect to the society.
Very nice. You know, one of the aim of NCC is also to make a situation or make condition for our cadets to join the uniform force, and also the training facilities which are available with our uniform force, be it army, be it paramilitary force, be it any other force, we utilize them. So we utilize their facilities, and also we make them in what they call it as Seema Darshan. We take the cadets to various border posts. We make them interact with the personnel posted there. The senior officials there come and interact with the cadets and motivate them. Puneet Sagar Abhiyan NCC, it's a story turning out to be the world's biggest movement to clean the water bodies of plastic waste. So NCC cadets and also the local population here, wherever they are connecting together in spreading awareness on all the ills of plastic and trying to clean all the water bodies of whatever way they can of plastic.
A new book titled The Khasi State, A Brief Historical Timeline 1771 to 2017, co-authored by John F. Kharshiying and Bodhi Sankuparani, was released today, August 25th, by Dr. E. Kharkongor, Principal, Shillong College, and Ms. A. Nongbri, Head of Khasi Department, at the Conference Hall of the college. The book is on sale through bookshops in the city.
Kawan hatin sampo latah constitution te nga tengah ada tak ada wanau ba kat bampat penbet ya ka kat bampat penbet ya ka jingete apa dengan ka India bagi Khasi states ka jing penbet put ka longbet ka constitutional arrangement apa dengan ka Assam and Meghalaya kita di kejela Assam Meghalaya mereka Khasi states pa Kidon kam laka jong ker kompenbet. Kidon kam laka jong ker kompenbet. Teka song hakitaki bor niya logia penbet gani. Handai hangai te ladap him namare ka Meghalaya lakan thup lang ki Khasi states. Te ladap him tip Khasi state udon hanglo te penbet pot ulo. Te ladap hipulie ya ka first schedule. Kapala pass how khatundai spa sanpo ka constitution ka bonkong da pipe jaga tu. Kadon
After receiving specific intelligence on information on August 24th, a joint operation was launched by police teams from Umkyang PPP and Ratachera Infiltration Check Post, led by Sub-Inspector S. Buam and Sub-Inspector E. Pochen, respectively, that some Bangladeshi nationals were attempting to illegally sneak into Indian territory through the jungle and unfenced one Bangladesh border area. During the operation, police officers were stationed in strategic locations at Pertakuna and Kuliang, laying traps to apprehend intruding Bangladeshi nationals. During the operation, some unidentified suspects were seen moving through the jungle inside Indian territory in the Kuliang area, with one of them acting as a guide. Later, he was seen emerging from the jungle on the National Highway 06 in the Kuliang area and attempting to arrange a vehicle to ferry his own people who were still hiding inside the jungle. When the police team noticed his suspicious behavior, they rushed to the scene. When he saw the police, he tried to flee to the jungle. The police team pursued him and apprehended him. On searching, the police found that he possessed a mobile phone and one machete in his body. He was later brought to Umkyang PPP for further action. On initial questioning, he identified himself as Misbah Uddin from Bangladesh. He also revealed that he had committed such criminal activities on numerous occasions. He was involved in several cases of human trafficking registered in the district. According to the records and statements of the arrested Bangladeshi national, Misbah Uddin assisted Bangladeshi nationals in crossing into Indian territory. He is one of the most wanted traffickers, and now he has landed in the police dragnet. Investigation is going on. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.